people have just started making money with this new trend, making anywhere between $5,000 and over $10,000. You may also earn over $10,000 on YouTube Shorts using this trend, which is picking up again. All you need is an internet-connected laptop or smartphone. Now the first step is to visit Google. Perform a search for Google's trends, choose the top ranking page that appears, and click on it. It will direct you to the Google Trends homepage, where you can see what's popular right now in your own country, other countries, and even the entire world. You may just enter any phrase or topic in this field, and Google will display the current popularity of that topic. Enter Andrew Tate into the search field. When you hit enter, you'll be taken to this page where you can see that Andrew Tate had a very high August trend. His search traffic has risen once again, which will enable you to generate significant revenue. Although I am aware that some of you dislike him and others like Andrew Tate, you may still make a lot of money in either situation. You can also post a comment below stating why you like him or don't like him at all, and also why. According to vidIQ, a tool for keyword research, Andrew Tate was searched 25 million times in the past month alone. A sizable untapped market exists where this trend can be profitable. The second step is to visit YouTube. Search for Andrew Tate there. As you can see, a YouTube Shorts video is a top result. And it was only posted 20 hours ago and already has the top spot for this topic. This YouTube short is power. Even if you scroll down a little, there will be another Shorts video ranking for this keyword. And as you scroll down more, there will be many more Shorts videos ranking. The majority of these long videos receive millions of views, 2 million, 6 million, and so forth. Additionally, YouTube Shorts are receiving over 2 million, 3 million, and even 6 million views. Now, if you look closely, you will see the long-form content was receiving millions of views, since the channels that posted these videos are well-established channels with over 400,000, 500,000, and even more, over 3 million subscribers. The shorts that received millions of views, on the other hand, were posted on channels with just 40,000, 60,000, and even 6,000 subscribers. This demonstrates YouTube Shorts' strength and promise. Now I'll show you how to improve your shorts in this video so you can use them to get millions of views. Now the next step is to access the YouTube Shorts channels that are showing up for the term Andrew Tate. You can open up channels like Creator Tate and Tate Society and watch some of their Shorts videos, for instance. Now you may get a sense of how they operate by looking at the tags, titles, and Shorts videos that are performing well and receiving millions of views. Once you've seen these shorts, return to the Shorts section and click on Popular option here. Here you'll find the channel's most watched shorts. Simply open each of these shorts one at a time, click here and copy the URL for the shorts. Simply visit ytshorts.savetube.me after that. You can download shorts from YouTube with assistance of this website. Simply paste the URL you copied into this box. Click Get Link next to it, and then click Download to begin downloading the video to your device. Step 4 is to visit clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. If you don't already have one, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where you can obtain affiliate links for a variety of physical and digital products that you can then market and sell to earn money. If ClickBank is unavailable in your country, don't worry. I'll show you another affiliate marketplace shortly. However, if you already have a ClickBank account, sign in and head over to the affiliate marketplace. You can choose from a wide variety of digital and physical products on the affiliate marketplace, and you'll be paid each time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. You only need to type paid social media jobs into the search box and hit enter to access the best product that I have already done the search for you. Now Get Paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube will be displayed. To promote on your Shorts YouTube channel, this is one of the greatest deals. As you can see, this offer has 300 gravity, which indicates the number of people promoting this product and experiencing success. In general, a gravity of above 30 is seen as favorable. This offer has been available for over 12 years and is still highly well liked. I have observed a lot of creators advertising this deal and earning over $1,000 per month. You'll receive $23 from this deal in the initial conversion, which doesn't sound appealing, but however, you will be directed to its official affiliate website if you click on affiliate page over here. You can see that if a person purchases this item, they will be presented an additional offer that is an upsell of $97 and $67 if you scroll down a little till you see this upsell flowchart here. Three $57 and $37 upsell offers will be shown. Either the person accepts the offer or rejects it. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you followed the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Again, the last upsell offer of $37 will be displayed, whether the person accepts or rejects the offer. Now in each of these cases, in addition to the initial $23 commission, you will also receive a 75% commission on the price of each upsell stated in the flow. You'll receive a recurring commission of $48 for each customer who uses your affiliate link to purchase the product. To create your hop link, commonly known as an affiliate link for this offer, click the affiliate button, input your ClickBank username, and then click Create. The second affiliate marketplace is warriorplus.com. Additionally, this is among the top affiliate marketplace and it is accessible in most countries. You can utilize Warrior Plus if ClickBank is unavailable in your country. Now by clicking here or here in the top right corner, you can register for free on this page. This is what your dashboard will look like once you log into your account. Now pick offers from the affiliate column by moving your mouse over it. You can choose browse other offers with their release dates and other statistics by scrolling down to the next page. Any product you want to promote can be chosen here, but it must have a conversion rate of more than 12%, a refund rate of less than 5%, and an average sale of more than $15. TV profits is the item I selected for this method. On November 7, 2022, this deal was made public, and since then, more than 1,000 people have purchased it. Its 29% conversion rate and 3% refund rate are both fantastic. This offer makes an average transaction of $45 and has a visitor value of more than $9, meaning that for every person we refer to it, we can earn $9.84. This offer's gravity is 74%, which is another positive aspect. You must submit a request to the owner of this offer outlining why you are a suitable fit for promoting this deal before you can begin to promote it. You could say something like, I have a list of 15,000 individuals who are interested in earning money online, and I want to market it to them. Or, I have a YouTube channel with an audience that is interested in earning money online, or something similar. Create a YouTube channel with a name relevant to Andrew Tate as the 5th stage. You might give the channel a name like Tate's Speech or Tate's Formula, for instance, and then begin downloading shorts from other channels to publish on your channel every day. Now don't forget to give them credit in the description of each shorts video. Doing so will benefit you in two ways. First of all, they will never send you a copyright. Second, YouTube will occasionally start recommending your short videos to its users. You will develop more quickly as a result of this. And the most important thing to remember is to put your affiliate link in the description and the comments of every single short that you upload to your channel. Use their titles and tags as well so that when one of your YouTube shorts become popular, it will spread like wildfire and all of your other shorts will begin to receive views. This will increase the number of subscribers to your channel and the number of people who click the affiliate link in the video description, which will quickly earn you $10,000. And that's it. If you love some of my content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.